Welcome. If you're looking to take a break from Roblox and deactivate your account, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll guide you through the updated steps to successfully deactivate your Roblox account using your Android device. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox app on your Android device. Once you're logged in, look for the three dots located at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on these dots to open the menu. Now select Settings. This will take you to a new page where you can adjust various options related to your account. After that, tap on Privacy. Scroll down until you find the section labeled Account Deactivation and Deletion. Here, you'll see an option that says Deactivate Account. To proceed, simply tap on Deactivate. A confirmation message will appear asking you to confirm your decision. Just tap on Deactivate again to continue. Finally, to complete the deactivation process, you'll need to verify your account. Follow any prompts that appear on screen to ensure everything is finalized. And that's it. You've successfully deactivated your Roblox account. If you ever decide to return, your account can be reactivated easily. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching.